Today we're going to teach you how to make a foamy mess. Here you go. Okay. Alright. So, you're going to need dish soap.
It doesn't matter what kind.
Yeast.
Or it could be liquid.
And hydrogen
peroxide.
Alright, and whatever you need to use to stir it, we'll use Q-tips. Alright, so we're going to pour in... Wait, I got to clean it up from last time. So, and a small cup. This is from earlier. Okay, pour the peroxide in. The dish soap. Bring that down here. Snap. And then, liquid yeast is better to make a full explosion. But today we're just going to use
the clumpy type.
How much do we put in here?
Like that. That's what we did the last time.
Okay.
Now we stir it.
Stir it, it's going to get a little bit clumpy. You want it to get clumpy.
Yeah.
It's going to start to rise. But it doesn't explode unless you have the liquid yeast.
Yes.
More than likely.
Yeah. I think you need to use more hydrogen peroxide. That's what made it really foam the last time. See, it's going very, very slowly. See, down the side.
Is it running down the side?
Yep.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Don't want to waste all of it.
No. Maybe more dish soap, maybe?
No. You guys have another bottle?
No. That'll be right though.
Mix it up one more time. Foamy mess.
Yep. A complete foamy mess.
The foamiest thing I've ever seen.
Yep.
Kind of stinks a little bit.
Yeah.
Wearing rubber gloves because we don't want our hands to stink.
Yeah.
But yeah. This is from earlier. Now we're going to just... dump that in.
It stinks, like, really, really bad.
It's not going to rise anymore since I dumped it out.
Yeah.
But yeah. Foamy explosion.